Hi guys, I'm Pablusha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about an interesting app that is Smytten. This app is just like Nykaa and Purple. So why is this app interesting? An amazing fact about this app is that you can get free trial products from this app. Interesting, right? But are all these products free of cost? So if you want to know, keep on watching. This app is good for those people who want to try something new but they are afraid that they will waste their money on wrong products. So in that case, you can get these trial products in mini version and then try it at home, and if you are satisfied with this small chotu sa product, then you can buy the full size product. तो पहले बात करते हैं हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस ऐप टू गेट ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स. देन आई विल टेल यू व्हाट आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम Smytten. So first thing is you need to download the app from the Play Store and after that install it on your phone. We all know about this process, and then register like any other apps. So after registering, you need to log in to the app. After login, you will see two sections in this app. One is trial section and another is shop section. From the shop section, you can buy any skincare and beauty related products, and from the trial section you can get trial size products from them. So now next thing is how you can get trial products from this trial section. After login, you will get to know that you have 6 trial points and you can use these 6 trial points to get trial products from this app. The trial section updates on weekly basis, so if you get a product in this week, you may not get the same product on the next week. So here each of the product has some trial value from 1 to 6 and you can get these products according to these trial values. I can give you an example to make you understand the system. So if a product has one trial value and then after adding this product to your cart, you will left more 5 trial values to use for another products. After using these 6 trial values, you will be no longer able to add products to your cart. So after going to the payment section, you will get to know that you have to pay 199 rupees for these trial products. Then how is this trial products are free? The trick is that after you place the order, you will get to know that 169 rupees will be refunded in the Smytten wallet, or you can use this 169 rupees as your trial points. So if you add this money in your Smytten wallet, then you can get discount when you will buy from their shop section. And if you use this money as trial points, then again you can get sample products from their trial section. The packaging looks like this, but actually there is also another cardboard packaging outside of this packaging, but I have already disposed that cardboard due to corona situation and I have already sanitized all these products. So now let's talk about what I have got as trial products from Smytten. So the first product I have got is Aroma Treasures Insta Party Glow. The second product is actually aloe vera gel. It is from St. Divans. The third product is hair pack cum conditioner, which is from Arenya. The fourth product really looks cute, and this is actually hydrating body cream. It is from Silk Tree Cherry Blossom. So the fifth product is actually nail paint, and this is from Bonjour Paris. I don't know if I am pronouncing the word wrong because I don't know French, but one disappointing thing is that the last product I received is actually empty, and the product is rose water from Just Herbs, but I didn't get any chance to use this product because I have already received it empty. Beside this, 5 other products are really good in quality. Guys, in this video I will not give you detailed review about all these products because then the video will be too long, but if you want to know about these products in detail, then let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your support really matters to me, so that I will get much more motivation to do such product reviews and such beauty and skincare related videos.